Welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today we are talking about the old Optiloc pole versus the new Unger Optiloc pole and what have they changed. So if you don't know, Unger has finally, I'm going to say finally because it really didn't need it, but they did it. They have just made their Optiloc pole a little bit better. So some of the things that they've changed are basically two things. They've changed the collars and the handle down here. So what have they changed about the collars? So the collars now have this nice rubberized kind of grip to it. It's a lot better on the hands. It's a lot easier to unlock and lock, especially when your hands are wet with like snow or water. It just makes it more comfortable. Right here, they have a little arrow telling you which way to go to unlock it. So we just twist it that way, and that opens the pole, and then you twist it back the other way to lock it. Same with this collar down here. What did the old collars look like? These are the old collars. Make sure I don't let that fall. So these are the old collars. This pole has been used quite a bit, and they're just plastic. They're not as comfortable in the winter time to use, but overall the new collar is just an improvement on this, just to make it more comfortable and make it a little bit user friendly. As far as the bottom of the poles, what they changed. So this is the old one. If you've been a window cleaner, you've most likely used an Unger Optiloc extension pole. So usually they do crack after a good amount of time, and the bottoms get pretty rough. And one of the big things that happen with these type of poles is when you're in like a storefront and there's like a tile floor and it's not carpet or whatever, you put your pole against something and it just slides down and slides out and gets in someone's way. So a really nice thing that they've done with the new handles to the base of the pole is they now look like this. Okay, so they look pretty nice. They're kind of fatter, just a little bit fatter, comfortable on the grip. You still have the hole here if you need to put anything through that, and then on the bottom here they kind of have this rubberized bottom that basically allows it not to slip as easy and kind of protects the pole overall, which I think will allow it not to crack like that one. Nastier crack over there. So kind of just something cool by Unger that they've changed a little bit, and I just received this from Unger, so thank you very much, Unger, for sending this pole out. And you can connect all of your favorite Unger tools to this pole as well. They kind of listed off here. You can connect your mop, you can connect your squeegee, a feather duster, and the fixie clamp or something like that from them. I've actually never used that. So pretty cool. Check it out at windowcleaner.com. I think most places will probably get rid of the stock of these before they move to these, but I'm pretty confident that all the stock is going to move to this look. So check this pole out, and if you really like the Unger Optiloc extension poles, I would definitely suggest getting a brand new one, because who doesn't like a new pole? Okay, that's it. Hope you all have a good day. Bye-bye. The old collars were just the same plastic material as the bottom. No! Technical difficulties. So